Hello guys, this is Rafi. So right now I have a iPhone 13 Pro Max 256 GB. Alright, so I also have here adapter separate for the iPhone because this iPhone doesn't have a charger inside. So let's get into the unboxing. Okay, let's follow this one. Slowly. Oh my god. Black. Okay, so what's inside is, I think this is stickers, the pin ejector, and the Apple logo stickers. And cable, nothing more. So that's why I bought separate for the adapter. Okay, so let's open this one. Okay. Alright. So it has a manual inside. And the adapter itself. USB Type-C. A fast charging adapter. Alright, so I will have a quick review, separate video for this, and thank you so much for the quick unboxing for my iPhone 13 Pro Max 256 GB Black. Thank you so much and have a nice day.
Let it go, ain't nobody go. Make our bodies higher and higher.